Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on a ukulele, full guide. Start by tuning to G-C and checking string action, then form the C, G7, F, and M chords. Place your fingers close to frets for clean tone, and use relaxed wrist motion when strumming. Count beats aloud while practicing chord changes slowly, then gradually bring up the tempo to match the song feel and groove naturally. Work on the chord progression next, focusing on the verse pattern C, G7, F, C, and the M to G7 turnaround. Play each chord for 4 beats and keep your strumming hand steady. Shift fingers in one smooth motion to reduce pauses, and mute strings slightly to control unwanted noise. Repeat transitions until they feel effortless, then play along with the recording at a reduced speed to lock in timing and groove. If you're enjoying this lesson, please subscribe and like the video to support more ukulele guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes practicing feel like a mini beach session and pairs nicely with mellow ukulele tones. Check the description for the link and other deals on gear shown here. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now concentrate on strumming and rhythm, using a down-down-up-up-down-up pattern to capture the song's bounce. Keep your wrist loose and use the fleshy part of your thumb or a felt pick for a warm tone. Accent beat one lightly to shape each measure and vary dynamics between sections. Play along with a metronome starting at a slow tempo, then increase speed only when your chord changes and accents remain consistent and relaxed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.